Hi everyone, welcome to EcomBack.com. Today we are going to teach you that how you can update the payment gateway settings in Magento 2. So first of all, you will go on Stores. In the left menu, click on Configuration. Scroll down and look for Sales. You'll see here, click on the arrow and then click on Payment Methods. Over here you will see all the payment methods available. So if you want to use PayPal, you can use PayPal, Braintree. If you want to use any other gateway like cash on delivery, you just uncheck this box, make it yes, and here you can update the information. Okay, if you want to disable that, just mark it no and disable it. And there's another option as well. For example, you can do check money order. You can enable and disable the options from here. Okay, and you will click. If you want to do bank transfer, you can do bank transfer. If you're using another gateway, or if you install any extension, you will see all the options here. If you want to set up the PayPal Express, just click on configure. You need to get all this information: API username, API password, API signature from PayPal. You add your PayPal ID over here, and just follow the instructions, and you can basically enable that. Once you have all the information, you can basically enable the settings. So display on card page, display on product page. So all the options are here. So once you add this information, you can enable the solution. You can select the options you want to enable on the product page and card pages. Just save the configuration and your payment gateway will start working, and it will show up on the front end. So hopefully that video will help you. If you have any question, you can email us at sales@ecomback.com. Thank you for watching.